Now do me a favor, hold hands with the person next to you. I want you to see something that I saw from backstage. Look at this circle. Look at the shape of it. It is actually shaped like the motherland. May the circle be unbroken. Right now, until in the north say, God tell me to put a blessing over everybody with the altar right now. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. And other things say you just come here for Beatles Festival, for dance and party. They're good for the family to celebrate together. But 25 years ain't no leaving a time and thing like that. Redder was almost 400 years. And this your belly of the beast, what they now call America now. And that teach me from Al-Kabulan that had you closer together than 100 of them now. And now we ain't want to be close together. Being close together, how we come together. The Igbo, Madinka, Malinke, Yoruba, Gullah, Geechee, Mendi, Temni, Ifi, all of that, and we ancestors, well, now they're called Gullah Geechee. Just like to see this your quilt. It's stitched together with love. It's stitched together with your family story. Maybe come on, Jeff, and tell you about it. Even in all this heat, the Lord tell me to wrap myself in the quilt. Maybe God knew how cold you've been to be when I first get out you. Because He tell me that since 4 days this morning. So get one your quilt, wrap up in them. I said, well, great God, you want me to pass out this year at the Gullah Festival? He said, no, I hold you up all these years. I can hold you up tomorrow. Wrap up in them. And I said, well, what kind of thing this year? But God said, them trying me to see what ancestors did. And see that leave it a minute, y'all stand up there, some of y'all will sit down already. Imagine deadly in the dust. You're in a stand up in 90-degree weather, in cotton, in rice, in indigo. Imagine that. Imagine my daughter did a lick on her body back. Got your baby daddy in the room. Can't pick him up and the baby to cry because you know they're coming for you. Imagine that. Imagine after all of that work. Big Daddy Mama them take that old ragged Peter shorts you had on and tear that one and tear them down ya and they cut them up and they take a piece and throw them in ya and then they go on yonder to auntie and they get a piece of your old apron and they take them and they put them in there and they go and get that Sunday school dress whatever they had when you've been a leak gal but that thing done get in them in that closet and yap on them all the morning thing and they take them and they cut them up and they put a leaf in there and then they go on the hunter and they get that first shirt hunter where that day you're going for that first job interview and they carry them and they put them in there and they put them like this your left, right turn, left, right turn, left, right turn. Same way Kente cloth the make. Same way a sure can't cloth the make. We don't never forget who we been, but y'all act like it's so. You know we got a Dr. Buzzer say, honor think free, honor be free. As the Bible says, as a man thinketh, what? So as a woman thinketh, what? So if you think trifling and act trifling, where you gonna be? Trifling. If you think rich and you act rich, where you gonna be? We are black gold, black cargo. Anybody who believes that, sit down with your family and act like some rich people here today. We came here for 25 years. This committee that you see, young as we look, been here toiling in this heat 25 years. When people say, what you doing there in Beaufort for? Ain't nobody want no thing called Gullah. Stop that cracky thing there. Left that thing alone, ain't it? I don't sorry. Okay, that's true thing. Ain't it? Tell me say them buck when you watch out go down there to top of them Gullah. Ain't it? Tell me say they gonna run we. And now, like y'all would say, we run this. Alright? So as Chieftess, a head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation, when I go around the world to the United Nations and various places, I go to represent all of us to let the world know that we are Gullah Geechee anointed people and we are just what they called us. If you go read enslavement journals, they call this black cargo or black gold. And nobody calls you gold if they don't believe you're rich. So you better know. You want what now?
Black gold.
You what? You what? You what? Now any of y'all who the silver or bronze or whatever, give me your gold, because I can use it. Because everywhere I go, I seek richness. I speak richness. And this International Year of African Descent is a proud moment for me, for God to have ordained it to be the 25th year of the celebration of my people here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And for those who ain't been know why I've been a crack Nikita Lee Wallace say, the Gullah Geechee Nation begins in Jacksonville, North Carolina, goes all the way to Jacksonville, Florida, and 30 to 35 miles inland to the St. Johns River. It encompasses where you sit now and all of that region. And I'm the head of state for it all. When I leave this stage, I will be at that blue tent behind that very colorful umbrella. There's a blue tent straight back where the Gullah Geechee Nation flag will be. In the center of this flag are human bodies intertwined. Our tree is you and me. We cannot survive without one another. That is why this year the theme is we are one family that has come this far by faith. So let me see if y'all can help me. Yesterday they did I. Let me see what y'all do today. We've come this far by faith. Come on, y'all. Leaning on the Lord.
He said trust.
Trusting in His holy word. Why is that?
He never failed me yet.
Because He never failed us yet. And can't turn around. We've come this far by faith. Y'all all right? Y'all did a little bit better than yesterday. But now, you know sometimes you just have to bring people home. And that's what the Gullah Geechee Festival be to do. Because some of y'all be the north, you ain't home. Y'all going north, y'all going west, y'all going east, and then y'all cracking like you even know where you come from. And that's all the people always tell we never forget where to come from now. We be Gullah Geechee, anointed people, blessed and free. Gullah Festival family, I love you. I love each and every one of you who comes here to support us every year. But there are some things I believe. There's some things we're forgetting. There's some things we need to return to. And that is why this dance today is about some things that I still believe. And I pray that you all believe the same. That your elders taught me like mine taught me. That manners want to take on where money can't. Because today, we got some no manners people. Some of y'all right here in the park. Walk by people, don't say good afternoon, don't say good evening. It don't hurt you to do that. That's how we keep the circle together. That's how somebody really know how you're doing. They don't just ask you just dry long soap because they want to tarry a while and see if it's something they can help you with. So that's why I'm elected as your head of state to do that, to help all my people and bring us all back to being one family that truly has come this far by faith. So I thank y'all. And if my sound man can bring up the music, here's my dance. God bless you. God thank you for 25 years of the Gullah Festival.
both ways before you cross the street. I still believe in taking care of grandma, not sending her to no damn nursing home, yeah. And I still believe in whooping kids, cause sometimes that's the only way that they gon' get it. And I still believe in miracles, still believe in magic and rainbows, still believe in family, the laws of gravity, and when there's a will, there's a way. And I still believe in Santa Claus, no, not the man. I believe in the principle of giving back to community, rebuilding family, make this world a better place. I still believe in church on Sunday and praying before you go to sleep. I still believe in teaching by example, cause kids mimic what they see. I still believe in homeschool, washing your hands after you go to the bathroom, yeah. And I still believe that prayer changes things. Something about giving all your needs. Still believe in miracles, still believe in magic and rainbows, still believe in family, the laws of gravity, and when there's a will, there's a way. And I still believe in Santa Claus, no, not the man. I believe in the principle of giving back to community, rebuilding family, make this world a better place. I still believe one heart, one soul, one voice, one